Welcome back to Kit Car Direct and MK Sportscars. Here we have a tutorial video on how to fit your front wings and indicators which mount inside the wings themselves. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first step is to use a spirit level or app on your phone to see the angle of the car using the side panel. This is important because the floor level may not be straight or the trolley you're using may also not be straight. Remember the angle which you got from that, place your wing on the wing stay, make them square to the wheel looking from the front or rear, and using the level, move the wing on the wing stay until you achieve the same angle as the side panel. Once this has been done, get some masking tape and place it on the wing where the bar of the wing stay travels underneath, and roughly mark on the masking tape where the bar travels underneath. Now you have this mark, it shows you where you need to position the wing. You can take the wing off and drill 3 holes in each of the bars. The point of these holes is just so the bonding can have more strength when stuck down on the metal and on the wing. Just for extra adhesion, you can scuff up the bar which mounts to the wing, making sure not to go too far along that it will be visible when the wing is on. Now it's time to bond along the wing stay, making sure you cleaned up any metal swarf and apply the wing using the masking tape template which you drew on earlier. Check the level again when the wing is on, trying not to move it around too much which will smear the tiger seal. Once you're happy with the position, leave the bonding to dry for 24 hours. We will need to apply more bonding later on.
"24 hours later."
Right, so now it's been 24 hours, it's time to apply some more bonding surrounding the wing stay to increase the contact on the wing and start drilling your wing to install the indicators. Start by placing some masking tape over the area shown. Using the caliper, measure the distance between a diagonal section of the wing and mark the midpoint. Use a pen or pencil to mark the midpoint and drill through. Next, grab your indicators and measure the width of them with a set of calipers. This is so you know which step to drill through on the step drill bit. Now it's time to drill through to that step using your stepped drill bit. Once you've drilled through, use a rounded file to clean up the edge and then remove the masking tape. Now it's time to thread the wiring through the hole and push in the indicators. Once the indicator is in, use some super glue on the inside to hold the position firmly so that you can tiger seal them in without them moving around. Do the same thing with the wiring, running it across the top of the inside of the wing so that the wiring can be attached to the wing stay and then routed from there. And now, of course, you have to do it all again on the other side. So that's about it for this tutorial video. If you found it helpful, please leave a like and subscribe if you are new. And if you've got any questions, feel free to pop them into the comments section down below. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you next week.